Hello, in this episode we will discuss on methods of finding out consumptive use. Two main methods. First is experimental method, means direct method. Second is empirical method, means formula based method. See, in experimental method, means in direct methods, there are four main types. First is Lacey-Meter method. Is also called as tanks and Lacey-Meter method. Second, field experiment method. Third, vapor transfer method. Is also called as soil moisture studies. And last one, inflow outflow method. In today's episode, we will discuss on experimental methods. In next episode, we will see empirical methods. Hargreaves class a pan evaporation method. Second, Blaney-Creedle method. First, experimental means direct method. In that, we will discuss first Lacey-Meter or tanks and Lacey-Meter method. As the name suggests, tanks and Lacey-Meter means in that method we are using tanks for calculating consumptive use. Generally, they are cylindrical dimensions tank, 2 meter diameter and 3 meter depth. It may vary, but they are cylindrical tanks. We have to kept in the field because this is direct or experimental method, hence it conducted in field. Now these tanks are watertight. Its bottom portion is of pervious material, means in this consumptive use we have to use pervious bottom, means pervious soil, and we have to keep a pan below this tank. For calculating consumptive use, we have to apply water. Before that, we have to plant some crops which are similar to the crops in surrounding field. After that, we have to apply water. Some water is drained out through the tank and it collect in a pan which is kept below the tank. After calculating difference between water, how much water is applied and how much water is remain in plant, we get tanks and Lacey-Meter. In this method of a measurement of a consumptive use of water, a watertight tank of a cylindrical shape having diameter 2 meter and depth about 3 meter is placed vertically on the ground. Lacey-Meter are cylindrical containers which are open at one end and are set into the ground with their rim flushed with the ground surface. The tank is filled with sample of soil. The bottom of the tank consists of a sand layer. Hence, Lacey-Meter have a pervious bottom. A part of water applied to the plant is allowed to drain through pervious bottom, which is collected in a pan kept below it. The plants grown in the Lacey-Meter should be the same as in the surrounding field. The consumptive use of water is estimated by measuring the amount of water required for the satisfactory growth of the plants within the tanks. Consumptive use of water is given by Cu is equal to Wa minus Wd. Cu, we know consumptive use of water. Wa, water applied, and Wd, water drained off, means collected in pan. Lacey-Meter studies are time consuming and expensive. The second method is vapor transfer method. It's also called as soil moisture studies. As the name suggests again, in this method we have to study moisture of a soil before application of water and after application of water, means before irrigation and after irrigation. This is a very simple method, so we go directly for theory. Vapor transfer method or soil moisture studies. In this method of estimation of water consumptive use, soil moisture measurements are taken before and after each irrigation. The quantity of water extracted per day from the soil is computed for each period. A curve is drawn by plotting the rate of use against the time, and from this curve the seasonal use can be estimated. This method is suitable in those areas where soil is fairly uniform and groundwater is deep enough so that it does not affect the fluctuations in the soil moisture within the root zone of the soil. It is expressed in the terms of volume, acre feet or hectare meter. Inflow outflow. Now, inflow outflow studies. This method is useful for the large area, and these studies are conducted through the whole year. Means for this method we have to remember two main things. This method is useful for complete 1 year and for large area. For that large area, consumptive use of water is determined by measuring inflow and outflow. Inflow is considered for a complete year from a particular area. If U is taken to be consumptive use of water for a certain area, then U is equal to in bracket I plus P plus in bracket GS minus GE minus O, where I total inflow into the area for the whole year, P annual rainfall of the area, GS groundwater storage of the area at the start of the year, GC groundwater storage of the area at the end of the year, and O is the total outflow from the area for the whole year. We will meet in next episode with empirical formulas for finding out consumptive use. Before that, you have to like our video, and if you have some suggestions, then please comment in the comment box. Thank you.